This is Harry. He's an aspiring musician who dreams of sharing his music with the world. But right now, he's just starting out. Then, the email arrived. Harry was accepted into the National Guitar Showdown. This was his big chance. He practiced day and night, pushing past his limits to perfect every single note. The night of the showdown arrived. Backstage, the noise of the crowd was deafening, but Harry focused on his breath. As he stepped into the light, the nerves vanished. This was his moment. Every hour of practice, every late night in the garage, poured into a performance that captivated the entire room. As the applause roared through the arena, Harry was on cloud 9, completely ecstatic. His hard work had finally paid off. The next day, Harry was still on cloud 9, a classic idiom meaning to be in a state of supreme happiness. He had faced his fears, and his musical journey was just beginning.